Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video let's talk about where to get cheap data in Nigeria now, or places that you can actually find cheap data. Now this is the time for us to buy cheap data from all those websites that have been making noise over the years. And we have cheap data. So in this video I'm actually going to be comparing their price. Let's see the ones that are cheaper, or if there is any cheap data at all, or if we are just actually wasting our time. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. Now, OPay is one of the apps that people actually buy data from. So we are going to be starting with OPay. So let's check out the prices on OPay. What we want to talk about is monthly package. Those are the things we want to talk about. Let's go for monthly packages. 2 GB right here is 1,500. 100 GB monthly Airtel is 20,000 on OPay. And let's say 35 GB is 10,000 naira. So let's go with MTN, guys. MTN right here, you can see 10 GB is 4,500. 20 GB is 7,500, and 165 GB is 35,000. 150 GB is 40,000. 75 GB is 18,000. 65 GB is 16,000. You can see right here. Well, this is for OPay. These are the prices that OPay offer, and sometimes they do offer some bonuses, discount, cashback, and all those stuff. So all those things actually help. This second website right here is called VTU Express. VTU Express. And on VTU Express right here, I have been using this particular website to buy cheap data. Let's check out their recent data plans on VTU Express. This platform, they actually have an app on Google Play Store, but yeah, we want to check out their data plan right here. And what we want is data. You can see data transaction. So let me click on these three lines. You can see buy airtime, buy data. Let me click on that. And you're going to, let me scroll down and select network. Let's say MTN, and MTN data type, let's say SME. They have SME1, SME2. 500 MBs, 497 naira. That is high. And you can see 1 GB is 799, almost 800. And you can see 6 GB is 2000. SME2, their plan, 1 GB is 795. 5 GB is 3,000 naira. Well, not bad. Let's see for Airtel, guys. Let's see for Airtel. And this is Airtel SME, Airtel SME. Let's check out their data plan. Airtel 10 GB is 3,000. The next platform we want to try, so this particular platform is called Social Earning. They say, dear customers, we understand the recent hike in data prices has been challenging, and we truly appreciate your dedication to completing tax on Social Earning. While we can't immediately increase tax prices as it could affect the advertiser, they protect advertiser more than earner. The advertiser who posts tax, we want you to know that we are actively working on a fair and lasting solution for everyone. Your hard work matters to us, and we are committing to ensuring that Social Earning remains a rewarding platform for you. And see, they say official partnership announcement, Social Earning X Tripod. They say bringing you exclusive data deals like never before. Say earners on Social Earning can now enjoy super cheap data bundles, offers brought to you by Social Earning, powered by this. Yes, it's live. Okay, so let's check out their data plans. This is actually interesting. 3.2 GB data for 1,000 naira. And more cheap data plans. This one is 2 GB data for 690 naira, 1 GB data 300 naira, and 1 GB data 430 naira. Is this cheap? It's live and proudly brought to you by Social Earning. Exclusive cheap data for all earners on Social Earning. Grab your cheap data bundle here. Tap the link. This. Say no deposit charges. Get the cheapest data rate. Easy access, no stress, powered by these people again. Now, this was very funny. Don't worry, we are going to be reading the comments later. Let's check out their cheap data plan. We are looking for ways to buy cheap data plan in Nigeria. I'm actually going to sign up right now. Then let's check it out. All right, guys, so I signed up my account, and this is my account, and you can see total balance 00 naira, add money, history. So we want to check their data plans. You can see airtime data, say need help, TV subscription, click here to contact support, more information. If I click on funds, you can see this is where you can actually fund your account. And you can see support is for you to contact their customer service if you actually need help. And you can see me right here is actually your settings and everything. So let's just check. You want to check data plans, that's why we are here. So let's check out their plans. Let's see how much they are selling their data. So this is data. Let's go with MTN. Let's go with MTN first. 1 GB is 795 naira for 1 GB, and 2 GB is 1,500. 3 GB is 2,300. 5 GB is 3,900. 10 GB is 7,800 naira right here on social earning. Now let's compare it with 10 GB on OPay. 10 GB on OPay is 4,000 naira monthly. 10 GB on VTU Express. Let's compare that with that. VTU Express have 5 GB SME2 is 3,900, which means times 2, which is 10 GB, should give you up to 7,000 plus. So I can tell you that VTU Express and this social earning website OPay actually sells data cheaper, because 10 GB right here in OPay, based on what I'm seeing right here, is actually 4,500 naira for 10 GB data for monthly right here. So which means OPay sells data cheaper. Let's compare all this with the MTN mobile app. This is MTN mobile data on the My MTN mobile app right here. These are their data. 2 GB data plus 2-minute monthly plan is actually 1,500 naira. 10 GB, we are looking for 10 GB of data, is actually 4,500. 10 GB of data from MTN is 4,500 naira. 4,500. These guys are selling 10 GB of data right here, 7,860 naira. So why will I buy from you if MTN app is cheaper? We just compared few websites: social earning, their data website, VTU Express, My MTN mobile app, and OPay. All these platforms are partner with MTN, but the way they are selling their data, some of them are cheap, some of them are expensive, some of them are lower than MTN, some of them are higher than MTN. So you can actually check out all these platforms to see the one you actually like, that you can actually go for. For those of you that don't know what social earning is, maybe you might be asking, what is social earning? Social earning is a website that actually allows you to complete jobs. You complete jobs on their website and you actually get paid for that. So once you complete those jobs, you can earn money from those your jobs, and you can use the money to actually recharge your phone, buy data, withdraw the money to your account. You understand? So I've actually earned some cash from social earning. The funny part is that their data plans are not cheaper than MTN main data plans. Choose the one you like, or tell me the one you like in the comment section.